There are questions tonight about the relationship between a rising state government MP and a local organisation with close ties to the Chinese Communist Party. Jing Li is in line to take over a key parliamentary position, some believing she needs to distance herself from the organisation.
She's a South Australian Liberal MP and, as his assistant minister, is close to the Premier. But Jing Li has come under fire for her links to this group, the Xinjiang Association, a group which supports the Chinese Communist regime and one she tweeted in support of herself before removing the social media post.
The Xinjiang Association is the part of Chinese international propaganda. Elected members like Jing Li should distance herself from those associations who links with the foreign country.
Mr Turan speaking for South Australia's Uyghur community, rallying again today against human rights violations in China. Others accused the Legislative Councillor of supporting the Chinese government's controversial Belt and Road infrastructure program, which gives it a stake in foreign projects and, some argue, too much influence abroad.
Why has she advocated for that? And does she have any other association she needs to declare?
The question's emerging as the Parliament prepares to elect a new president for the upper house, with Jing Li understood to be the Premier's preferred candidate. Ms Li says she doesn't support Belt and Road projects. In a statement she added she's attended hundreds of multicultural functions, and to suggest she shares the political views of the people who make up all of those organisations is absurd.
Jing Li is and has been an outstanding Member of Parliament, an outstanding representative of multicultural communities.
The new Upper House President will be sworn in when Parliament resumes next month. Rory McLaren, 9 News.